What you are about to see is not sped up and it's not fake. That's an AI running inside my Chrome browser, searching LinkedIn, opening jobs, and applying to them on its own. I'm just sitting here watching, and by the end of this video, you will be able to do the exact same thing. So this combination of Claude and LinkedIn. So everybody talks about it. You see a lot of posts. So I just wanted to test it out. And I have tested it extensively. And now I'm going to do it in front of you. So I have the Chrome extension open in front of me and my LinkedIn also. And you can simply go to the extension store and download Claude, which is free. It's up to the credits on which plan you have it. If it is free, your credits are going to burn quickly and you won't be able to choose the best model. That's the only thing. So now I am going to give my prompt. So I want this to find me three jobs in the arena of business development in Singapore, and then I also need to add some other requirements, like I think I need it to be easy apply, and also things which can be done remotely. So you can actually give it more and more requirement. Just for the sake of this video, I am limiting myself to three jobs, and also not applying to 30 jobs, which you can easily do, and also not giving it more constraints. So I just accepted the plan which it provides, and this is basically my setting. You can actually do the automation in such a way that you do not need to approve the plan, but I want the human in the loop. So okay, it found me these jobs, and they seem really interesting. So this one, well, this has already been applied to. Now let's look at the other one. So yeah, this one is also good. So growth business development, Southeast Asia. So it is now reviewing these job listings, and finally it's going to give me three jobs which I can apply, and it's going to check if they are easy apply, and so it's also going to check if they are remote. You can add more even constraints there, and you know how it does it? It captures the page image, and then it identifies the places where it needs to click, and then it uses different tools, maybe a JavaScript tool or some other sort of tools, so all the tools that it has access to. And this is how this agent works, and this is really amazing. And I'm not using the cursor, I'm just sitting here watching this. I can also give a task to Claude, and it will just notify me on my email that the task is done, and I can just come back after, let's say, an hour or so, and I can check if it is done or not. And it is also telling me what actions it is taking. So it is checking the previous job application status. Like, obviously I have applied to this one already, so it because I was actually, before this video, I was playing with this tool, so I was using this a lot. So now it has given me these three jobs, and now it is asking me if they are good enough for me. So I will now tell it to apply for me. So first it found me the jobs. Now I am asking Claude to apply for me. I don't have time to apply for each and every one. So, and this approve, I can actually bypass this, but I don't want it. If you want, you can bypass this approving the plan every time. So it is now working again. So it created a plan, and as you can see, it is now going into these jobs, and it will, and just in a bit it will be applying to these jobs. So, and I'm not moving the cursor. I am saying this again and again because I really find this amazing, and this is the power of AI, that you are just sitting here, and just from an image it identifies where it needs to click, or where is the drop down menu, and in the drop down menu what it needs to click. So this is just amazing. So now it has started the application process. Uh, it will be asking me for some information which it does not have, and if it already has that information, it's not going to ask me, it's going just to fill it. Now, okay, so it is asking me if I'm happy with my email address and the phone number. So Well, I have no issue with it, so I can simply ask Claude to proceed. And then it's going to give me a plan because of the settings that I have set for it. I just don't want AI to take over us yet. And well, I never will want that. So I have just approved the plan. I will always want a human oversight because obviously AI needs a human oversight. So this is the resume it picked for me, which I think I used today. And now it's going to go to next. So after submitting my resume, now these are the questions. I think it will be asking me about these because it wouldn't know my proficiency in Chinese or in English or so I'm going to respond to this. So for one, it's professional. Unfortunately, when it comes to Chinese, it's none. And now it's remote job. I think I wouldn't need a visa unless you need to do it in Singapore remotely. And are you legally authorized to work in Singapore? No, I'm not legally authorized to work in Singapore. I can do it from here. So, well, I'm just applying for the sake of this video. So, now let's see how it is going to select. This is really amazing. So, there are drop down menus and then there are clicks and there is this plan. So, let's see how it does it. Uh, and it is also telling me how it is doing it. So, filling in professional and none, and then I don't need a visa, but I'm also not authorized to work in Singapore. So all this, it's going to fill this and it will be applying to the job. And this is all automated. So I can just leave uh, my laptop. I just can go have some coffee. And when I come back, it would have applied to 30 jobs for me. Or it may because now that I have given it the responses to these questions, so it will not be asking these again. It's just going to go. And now it is going to submit the application. So this is really amazing. And the application is ready to submit. Okay, it is asking me. This is because of my setting. If I can make it fully automated and just go. And now I'm going to please submit, and the application will be submitted. So you can see how easy this is, and the power of AI, and you can actually do real stuff, not just uh, the email and other grammar, check the grammar and do the email. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can get more videos like this. Thank you.